Students, we have thoroughly explained the text of the chapter number 10, drug addiction. Now we are on the grammatical concepts of chapter number 10, drug addiction. And the first one is relative pronoun. We have already discussed some major kinds of relative pronouns. Let's define what basically relative pronoun is. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously in a sentence, whether they are people, places, things, animals, or even ideas. Relative pronouns can also be used to join two sentences. There are only a few relative pronouns in English language. The most common are which, that, whose, whoever, whomever, who, and whom there. These are some of the major relative pronouns in English language. Now we can understand the concept of relative pronoun better by examples. Let's take the first example. The cyclist who won the race trained hard. Now if you look at this sentence, the cyclist who won the race. So in this sentence, the who refers to the cyclist. It means the cyclist who won the race. So in this sentence, who refers back to the cyclist. Let's move to the second example. The 4 team leaders, whoever the committee select, will be at tomorrow's meeting. Now, in this sentence, whoever is a relative pronoun which actually refer back towards the 4 team members. Let's take another example. Spaghetti, which we eat at least twice a week, is one of my family's favorite meal. Now, spaghetti, which. Here, the which is working as a relative pronoun because of which we refer back towards that dish which is spaghetti. So student, I hope आपको relative pronoun का concept समझ आया होगा कि relative pronoun वो pronouns होते हैं जिनकी वजह से हमें एक sentence में noun की तरफ refer किया जाता है. और इंग्लिश में सिर्फ चंद एक ही relative pronoun है जिसमें who, whomever, which, that, एक्सेट्रा, इन सबको हम relative pronouns कहते हैं. आई होप आपको relative pronoun का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ आया होगा. थैंक यू.